Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone ghost touching issues on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue where you have facing this issue, touching issue on iPhone. So you have first of all, if you have restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarts, then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, the second solution you have reset our setting. Then you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset our setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset our setting. Then third solution, you have free up enough iOS storage space. So usually when your iPhone is running low on storage space, it is easy to perform a slow response to viruses operations, of course, including the problems iPhone ghost touching issue on. So then fourth solution, you have remove your iPhone screen protector. Then you have on your iPhone is glasses or protector, and then you have anything, or then you have, so then you have removed. Sometimes your iPhone screen protector becomes the reason of our ghost touching, as it is as incompatible with your iPhone device, as it touching some parts of the device automatically. So by removing your iPhone screen protector, you can solve your problem if it is the reason of for touching ghost issue. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be update your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.